how to crop your clip on Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily crop your video in Alight Motion. So as you can see in this example, I've already opened my project file over here where I have a particular video which is not cropped properly. So let me just quickly show you how you can easily do that. So first thing first, just select the particular layer of the video which you would like to crop. And once you select the layer of your video, just tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner and just select this option that is fill composition area. So it will basically fill all of your video throughout your screen to make it fit to screen. Now you can just readjust the position from over here as well, just like this, and you can also always zoom in or zoom out in your case. And once you do all of that, now what I want you to do is just tap on this plus icon from the bottom right corner after doing all of those mentioned things earlier. So just tap on it and just choose the square option over here, that's the square shape. And again, just make sure your square or rectangle is highlighted and just tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner and simply click on this option that is stretch to composition area. So simply select it, and now just come back over here and make sure your length of the particular shape is same as with the video. So let me just quickly split it and just delete the remaining part, which is the unnecessary part over here. So as you can see, my both of the shape as well as my video length is correct. Now what I will need to do is next, now just tap on this eye icon for the particular shape, just like this, and make sure both of these layers are selected just like this, and just select this second option right at the top over here. So let me just quickly select this second option, and just like that you have your cropped video on your Alight Motion. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.